So here on the door we can blow the air onto the window, but that's interesting because if I cycle this one onto the passenger, front and rear passengers, front, rear, legs and window, legs and window, so we don't have the option to blow it only onto the windshield. Okay, but if I use the max button, notice the legs disappeared. Now we have the option to use the windshield blowing after pressing the max. Now if you press this one again, now that disappears. Now it's combined, both of them, legs and windshield.